It's Latoya White, known as LT, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start your 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. Now, if you're an entrepreneur or business owner, whether you're launching a product or service, you're going to be wanting to use ClickFunnels as the software for your business. All right, let me head on over to the ClickFunnels website so you can see exactly why you need this software for your business. All right. So why ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels enables people to grow companies through sales funnels, okay? And these funnels, they convert your visitors into leads and then those leads into customers without you having to hire or rely on an entire tech team. All right, it's pretty much already done for you. All right, so it says changing the lives of entrepreneurs. Join the 92,680 entrepreneurs who are actively using ClickFunnels to easily get their products and their message out to the world. All right, ClickFunnels has 92.6K users, all right, 884 million contacts, 5.24 million funnels, and $3.7 billion processed, all right, in sales. All right, so what is a funnel? All right. What exactly is the difference between a website and a funnel? All right. ClickFunnels is a website and sales funnel builder for entrepreneurs. All right. So imagine having a website. We all know what a website looks like. When you arrive at a website, usually it's busy. Okay. It does not have a capture page. All right. A lead capture page simply collects emails, names and emails for you to follow up with potential um, leads, which converts to sales later on. Okay, so you want to be building a email list, and that's what ClickFunnels allows you to do. All right, so with the funnel, you have a landing page, okay, where you collect the name and the email address, okay. Your sales funnel takes customer through a sales process, okay. So on the sales page, it allows you to build value, okay? Whether you have a video, whether you have your products listed, whether you have testimonials or what have you. All right. Once the customer arrives there and they like what they see, then you are able to collect money. All right. Just that simple. All right. And also, as the customer travels through your sales funnel, you are able to um, create upsells. All right, upsells are other offers. Maybe it's an upsell for a weight loss product, all right, or a skincare product, or an educational training, whatever that upsell may be. All right, which is initially higher than your front end product. Okay. So your sales funnel also allows you to deliver your product. Okay, so all of that takes place through your sales funnel. All right, so as you can see, it guides your visitors step by step through the entire sales process so they don't get confused or lost and leave. Imagine how many times a customer is at a website and it's so busy and they don't even know where to start. The customer, they're scrolling through the site, they see different products, they're clicking here, clicking there, adding things to their shopping cart. But then once they get ready to check out, you know, they look at the total and instantly are like, wow, I can do all this, and abandon the cart. Okay, it's called cart abandonment. All right, so with a sales funnel, you're able to walk customers through your storefront every step of the way. Um, collecting an initial payment as well as creating upsells to continue to keep you in profit mode as well as delivering value to your customer. All right, which allows an easier, faster process. So everything that you need is in one convenient spot. All right, so funnels gives you that. All right, gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products online. All right, it's a simple drag and drop web page editor. All right, you just simply click on the Done For You templates and go ahead and edit the text, drag and drop your images, your videos, what have you, and create. Alright, so it has a smart shopping cart, one-click upsells, email and Facebook marketing automation. Everything is organized in a simple dashboard. Alright, alright, my computer is kind of freezing up here a little bit. Alright, so ClickFunnels also allows you to generate leads. Alright, that way you connect with those leads by creating simple funnels. Alright, it allows you to capture the contact information so you can generate new leads and follow up with them again after they leave your page. Okay. ClickFunnels allows you to sell your products and you can create pages and funnels that are pre-designed and walk your traffic through each step to the sales process and converts them from visitors to paying customers. All right, who can benefit from an actual buying customer. This is why you're going to need to start your free 14-day trial now. All right, you can also create one-click upsells and increase your revenue per customer. All right, per customer. ClickFunnels also allows you to create follow-up funnels, and when you upgrade to Actionetics and also connect or reconnect with your audience anytime, anywhere using multidimensional marketing. Okay, you can send highly targeted messages to your customers. That means your messages can get delivered straight to your customer no matter where they're at or what they're doing. Okay, so if you're not sure how you'd use a funnel to grow your company, you're able to let ClickFunnels know the type of company you own, and they'll show you the type of funnel you should be using and give you the highest converting funnel templates for free. All right, that's right. So whether you're a freelancer, have informational products, e-commerce, coaching or consulting, network marketing, local small business owner, B2B, lead generation, blogging, affiliate, nonprofits, or if you're even just getting started, ClickFunnels is going to allow you to start a 14-day free trial, all right, to get your business off and to hit the ground running, all right. So then you're able to take a short 30-second quiz and get a 2-week trial to ClickFunnels for free. Alright, in less than 10 minutes you can watch the demo and it's going to show you exactly what you need to do. And if you need to know more about what ClickFunnels can do for you, click on the button below to see more detailed information about the features inside of ClickFunnels account. Alright. Alright, so can you see why so many people just like you are moving their companies into ClickFunnels? Alright, you have Julie here, who's an agency freelancer, Natalie, who sells informational products, Jamie, who's an e-commerce, Garrett, coaching and consulting. So this generally shows you exactly why so many entrepreneurs and businesses are using ClickFunnels. All right, so you also are able to look at the FAQs. You know, the frequently asked questions that people get in regards to ClickFunnels. All right, all that's listed here. Well, all right. So just simply just click on your start free 14-day trial now. All right.